Doobie-doo. Yeah. Let's see here. Apple branded high density floppy disks. Just for the record, I chose the most banged up box to open up. So let's take a look. Look! They look just like regular floppies, except they have the Apple logo right there. And of course, the labels had better have Apple on them too. Super duper. Oh, yum. Sweet. They're made in Canada. Alright, so let's see here. Limited warranty. These diskettes are made to strict Apple factory specifications by KAO Information Systems Canada Incorporated, KICI. They are warranted to be free from manufacturing defects in materials and workmanship for the life of the product. This warranty does not cover normal wear or damage resulting from accident, misuse, abuse, or neglect. Any defective diskette will be replaced free of charge by calling 613-623-7901 or by mailing it at your expense to KICI 10 Disc Didac Drive, Ontario, Canada, K7S3H2. Such replacement is your sole remedy, and neither the manufacturer nor the distributor shall be liable for any loss or damage, whether incidental, direct, consequential, or otherwise. This warranty is in lieu of all other express warranties. All implied warranties, including warranties of merchantability and fitness for a particular purpose, are limited to the duration of this written warranty. Some jurisdictions do not allow the exclusion or limitation of incidental or consequential damages, or allow the limitation on how long an implied warranty lasts. So the above limitation or exclusion may not apply to you. This warranty gives you specific legal rights, and you may also have other legal rights that vary from jurisdiction to jurisdiction. KAO Info Systems Canada Incorporated, P.O. Box 41,10, Didac Drive, Emperor, Ontario, Canada, K7S3H2. Yeah. Yo, check out, they got like 6 different languages on these. Oh look, the 3.5-inch discs are 86mm discs. That's like rad and stuff. We slipped in my mind. I'm like gonna use these to make some rad stuff, so I'm gonna stop now without actually putting the labels on, because when I do my floppy labels, I like to use a typewriter, especially for just this awesome. I know, he uses a typewriter. Well, I don't have software to print my labels with, so yes, that's what I use. Well, each one of these discs comes with a little booty. Yeah, they come with little plastic booties that go on the bases, because that's like so rad. My floppy disks have little booties. Sweet. Sweet.